visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, let's check no kung ano po ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so believe in the divine timing. Kahit na nakapost na ito ng mga 2 weeks, no, a month, or a year, whenever you see the video, the message is meant to find you. So, mag-start na tayo ng reading with the Ace of Swords. So, parang gusto nating magkaroon ng pagkakaunawaan, no, dito sa relationship na ito. Or probably, meron ng pagkakaunawaan, gusto mo pang mas lumalim, no, itong understanding ng you and your person. So, with the Chariot and the Eight of Cups, so nakikita natin kasi dito, medyo, siguro nagkakaroon din talaga ng, nagkakaroon kayo ng mga challenges, no, disagreement, kasi nga nakikita nyo na yung mga differences ng bawat isa. Chances are, meron kayo ditong misunderstanding. Kaya you are actually wanting not to have a pagkakaunawaan. Pwede rin itong hindi, hindi pagkakaunawaan sa pag-alis, no, ng isang tao. Kasi may takot, no? It felt like natatakot ako kapag malayo ka na you are probably going to forget me. You're probably going to forget how you feel for me, what you are feeling for me, no? With the Eight of Cups clarified with the Page of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. Kasi nandito pa lang siguro tayo sa part na itong relationship na ito ay siguro nagpo-progress pa lang, no? Palalim pa lang. So, parang wala ka pa rin din tiwala na ganun ka-strong yung foundation ninyo kasi nga nagsisimula pa lang, no? Parang feeling mo kasi kapag lumayo ka or lumayo siya, maliles, no, yung feelings ni person, mawawala yung attention niya, and parang feeling mo magkakaroon ng stagnation dito sa inyong relationship. So, with the Page of Cups and the Eight of Swords, medyo nagkakaroon tayo ng anxiety dito if si person ba, no, magiging loyal pa rin sa'yo, if in case matuloy nga itong kanyang paglayo, no? If in case matuloy ang kanyang pinaplanong either magtrabaho sa ibang lugar or lumipat ng company, if in case magkasama kayo sa isang kumpanya. So, meron din ditong probably separation anxiety, no? This might be something that you are not fond of doing. Kasi nga, sanay ka nga, no, na kayong dalawa ay laging magkasama. Eight of Swords is clarified with the Four of Wands and the Empress. Parang feeling ko dito, either meron ka ng plans of probably na pag-usapan or sinabi mo or ito lang yung nasa isip mo na bumuo na ng family with your person, or probably ikaw sinabi mo sa sarili mo, eto na yung taong para sa akin, ready na rin ako magpakasal, ready na rin akong magkaanak, no? Or probably you are already pregnant with the Empress, di ba? Giving birth, either giving birth literally or giving birth to a new idea. So, with the Nine of Cups and the Knight of Cups, siguro ang kailangan mo dito security, no? Bago siguro mo siya payagan. Either naiisip mo na papayagan lang kitang umalis, magkaroon tayo ng separation in physical form, kung either may anak na tayo or kasal na tayo. Kasi parang ito yung nakikita mong security, ano? Whether siguro nasa isip mo, kahit hindi ganun kagarbo, no? Hindi na mas importante yung magarbo, no? Well, kung magarbo, thank you. Kung hindi, I just want the security, no? The paperworks. Na tayong dalawa is yung illegality, no? Para meron akong pinanghahawakan. So, with the Page of Swords, gusto ko tong Page of Swords kasi parang madami kang input, no, na ibinibigay, or probably si person, madami ding input na ibinibigay sa iyo. The Page of Swords clarified with the Ace of Cups and the King of Cups. Probably gusto mo ring makakuha ng input coming from your person, gaano mo kamahal, how are you willing, no, to put this connection into another level of commitment. Are you that willing, no, to probably, build a family with me? Bakit hindi na natin simulan ngayon pa lang, no? So, these are those thoughts na parang either gusto mong marinig, gusto mong sabihin, or nasabi mo na. Dahil I think that the bottom line here is the security, no? Yun yung gusto mong ma-achieve prior ibigay sa kanya yung gusto niya na either makapunta ng ibang lugar or makapagtrabaho sa ibang lugar. I think hindi ito insecurity eh. This is more of you're taking care of what's supposed to be yours. That's understandable. And siguro nga with the past traumas, no, yung mga experiences mo before, may mga taong nangako sa'yo, but then again, hindi naman tinutupad. So this time, medyo either wais na tayo or kailangan talaga natin itong gawin. No? With the Two of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. So, ngayon medyo we are looking on the crossroads of how can I get this discomfort, no? How can I get yung peace of mind, clarifying the Two of Swords with the Ten of Swords and another Two of Swords. So, ang nakikita natin dito, siguro yun din ang tinatanong, no, ni person. Ano bang dapat kong gawin para mapayagan mo ako dito? So I think that you are going to lay down the cards. This is not an ultimatum, probably this is more of an agreement, no? Papayagan lang kita kapag nga, no? Either pinakasalan mo na ako or nagkaanak na tayo. So it felt like the security is more important, and hindi yun masama, 'di ba? Gusto mo lang ma-feel na meron kang aantayin, no? Na meron siyang babalikan din. Looking forward to go back. Kasi 'di ba, minsan hindi natin alam kung saan man siya magpupunta, no? Hindi lang naman ikaw ang pinakamaganda or ang pinakagwapo, no? Siyempre hindi natin nakikita yung mga tao sa paligid. Hindi sa wala kang tiwala sa person mo. Wala kang tiwala sa mga taong nakapaligid, 'di ba? So, ayun. This is your reading. Tingnan natin dito ha, yung zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, pasensya na, nasakit pa rin tayo. Kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some personal questions, meron pong link sa description box ng video na ito. Sa link na po yon, pag click nyo, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Libra. I'm seeing Pisces. I am seeing Cancer. Libra is very dominant. No? Halos tabi-tabi sila. Scorpio is here. I'm seeing, Cancer is dominant as well. I'm seeing Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, Gemini is here. Virgo. Yeah, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. And, Virgo. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You